Hey folks, Hard Tecton's back with another Big Bad Toy Store unboxing. So this one is, it's better than last month's because, in case y'all didn't know, I base how many toys, figures, whatever I get from Big Bad Toy Store based on how many campers I sell at Camping World. And last month I sold 7.5 and made Salesman of the Month. So, very good. So, I got 8 toys. Yes, I round up as long as I complete some other stuff. So, not a huge box, even though we got 8 toys in it, because most of them are core class Transformers. So, let's go ahead, let's make sure there's nothing to hide. I don't think so. So, it's like we're starting with some of the bigger stuff first. So, here we have Jay from Slipknot. He is the drummer. I actually have, let's see, Corey, the singer, Craig Jones, the samplist, and Sid Wilson, the DJ. And then they just stopped putting these out. And finally I realized they started putting them back out. So I've got 4 out of the 9. Here we have Legacy Cybertron Hotshot. Very excited about that. Very excited about the whole Cybertron line. So, yeah, get to play with him. And then we start getting into these core class. Finally got Noah Diaz. So, very cool. I actually like this character. Some people are like, yeah, but I dug it. And, yeah, turns into a little jet plane. And then we have core class concept art Rumble. You know, he is adorable. Look how small he is. I thought he was going to be a little bit bigger. But yeah, very cool. I'll definitely be getting Frenzy to pair with him. And then we have Frenzy. Not concept Frenzy, not Bumblebee movie concept Frenzy, but 86 movie Frenzy. To go with my Rumble and my... well, my Terracon Novocaine. Don't I already have a Rumble? Or is that what I... Well, oh, right. I'll be getting a Rumble with the new Soundwave coming out. But yeah, so I got Frenzy. I've got Terracon Novocaine. If they could change up this figure a little bit, like 3 or 4 more times, I would get a full army of them to build. But just 2 for now. On some more weird stuff, I've been collecting a lot of these Jada Toys Nano figures. And I think it's cool because while they're a little bigger than what would be the scale to, you know, get into these Transformer cars, they're pretty close. So I've got G.I. Joe, I've got Power Rangers, I've got Avengers. Now I got the Turtles. Very cool. And these are like heavy metal guys. And last but not least, I got this thing from, what is the name of this company? Super Action Stuff, which I got a coffin full of bloody weapons. And this to go with it, which is a modular display weapon rack, which can be configured in a lot of different ways. Cool thing is, this is my second one. So I've been having fun with the first, wanted a second, might get a third, fourth, fifth, or what have you. So, stay tuned. Maybe I'll review some of these, maybe I won't. Who knows? But either way, thanks for watching, and see you next time.